Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install DoorDash Dasher app. If you don't have a DoorDash driver account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. On the search bar, type in and search for DoorDash Dasher. So this is the DoorDash Dasher app logo looks like. To proceed, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Become a Dasher. Then follow the on-screen instructions on how to sign up. You could also check our DoorDash driver sign up tutorial video for a guide. But if you already have an account, tap on Sign In. Then sign in with your email and password and start using the app. That's how you download and install DoorDash Dasher app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.